are learning that the Prime Minister is likely to address a session on the 2nd of July in Lok Sabha and 3rd of July in the Rajya Sabha. Pragya will just join us in a moment to get you more details. Do remember, you'll have a short but a very important session that begins from the 24th, and you will also have the budget that's going to be presented. But we are learning that on 2nd of July in the Lok Sabha and the 3rd of July in the Rajya Sabha, the Prime Minister is likely to take to the floor. The Prime Minister will be addressing the Lok Sabha on the 2nd, the Rajya Sabha on the 3rd, Pragya, and you're telling us that all this again is important, keeping in mind that this is a new government, a new dispensation under NDA, but clearly you've seen the government hitting the ground running, Pragya, and the all-important budget also expected to be presented.
You're absolutely right, and Prime Minister will move the motion for the Speaker as well. And in fact, there will be a pro tem Speaker in between, announcement of which will be done in a matter of 2 days. It is most likely that, generally what happens is that you have at least the senior most as pro tem speaker, but not necessarily. So it could be 7th or 8th time MP who can be pro tem speaker. Secondly, Prime Minister, while culminating the presidential thanks, presidential address and motion of thanks on that, Prime Minister is likely to speak in Lok Sabha on 2nd of July, and in Rajya Sabha 3rd of July is what we are given to understand by our sources. And Prime Minister will also speak after the selection of Speaker. Prime Minister will take an hour to, will also speak on that. And there's also a possibility that opposition may pit in a candidate against the NDA candidate. So if that happens, then that process will also take an hour to decide voting and all. So this is what we are learning from our sources. This is what is going to happen in this time of Parliament when take oath. There will be presidential address as well. And remember, Rajnath Singh along with senior ministers had a meeting yesterday at his residence. That meeting was to give the achievements of the government and also the vision of the government for presidential address. That input gives goals from the government side. So that was that. So after presidential address, when motion of thanks is there, Prime Minister will speak. We are given to understand is likely to speak on 2nd of July in Lok Sabha and 3rd of July in Rajya Sabha.
Yes, and Pragya, even as you get us those details, before I let you go, what really could be the centerpiece of the Prime Minister's address this time around? Because I do remember the Prime Minister, whenever he takes the floor, remember he leaves around a lot of talking points. There are a lot of issues that the opposition really is put on the back burner with, and considering that this time you have a mandate that clearly is not what the BJP was looking or expecting, and you have an opposition that continues to hit out at the government, what could be the centerpiece of the Prime Minister's address?
Well, as this is the new government in place, this is the new term, but there is sense of continuity in terms of portfolios of the minister and in terms of the projects and policy matters and schemes as well. So we are also, it is most likely that Prime Minister is gonna speak on that, how these policies are being taken, ahead with pro-poor and pro-farmers and pro-women, a sentiment in mind, along with the technological advancement and Atmanirbhar Bharat that we are looking at, and also 2047 Viksit Bharat objective. But most of it will be the last term achievements also, and also vision for the 5 terms as well. As Prime Minister said, he's going to take big decisions. I think he will generally, what he'll do is hint towards that, be it housing, be it having dignity of women and a better lifestyle for women in the country. All of that is going to be part of his address.
All right. And Pragya, I think as always, a lot of fireworks expected, and we are looking forward to that big session, and the coverage will be top focus here on Times Now. As we thank Pragya, also quickly make way now to get you our next broadcast on the other side of this quick break.